Good afternoon, guys. We're in for a treat today. Well, mainly me, because she's doing it for me.
Yes.
This is a very, very healthy meal that she does me to try and get my weight down. But she doesn't do it enough. She knows I like manok, chicken.
I will show you guys how to cook tinol. It's called Tinolang Manok. It's a Filipino dish.
Tinolang Manok.
Tinolang Manok.
Tinolang.
Whatever, just forget about that.
What the?
Tinol.
Just patience, babe.
T.
See how she's got no patience with me, guys.
Tinolang Manok.
Tinolang Manok.
Oh, you got it.
Tinolang Manok.
So I will show you guys I will show you guys how to cook Tinolang Manok and also to you. So if I die, you can cook yourself.
Seriously,
right?
if you don't stop saying that, you will be dying sooner than you think.
Because you don't know how to cook, right?
What
just
with the
only
blood,
you know
the blood coughing up and everything.
Just fry egg, just fry the hot dog. That's it.
Yeah, I got a
That's
bat
what
though,
you know.
guys, because I smashed an egg over her head on her birthday. Was she happy? Were you happy,
Of
babe?
course not, because
She was mad at me for, well, not for ages, for about 10 minutes, and then she started laughing
my
about
hair is
it.
very long. It's hard to wash.
So,
It's you. I will do that. So
yeah, whatever.
just
So what you doing now, baby? You're heating
Oil.
up some oil.
yeah.
It's just a little bit of oil. There's not much in there, is there?
Yes, not all, just a little.
Now, what's the benefit to us foreigners eating this?
Healthy.
It's healthy.
Manok, yeah. And then I took as well the skin because Chris, he don't like to eat the skin.
No.
That's why I took it out the skin.
And you shouldn't eat the skin anyway, guys, especially if you're trying to lose weight.
You can add as well malunggay there if you want. It's gonna be more healthy.
Malunggay, yeah.
You want to put
So you
in-
cook the malunggay,
No, you yeah.
obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could, but not now because we'll have to break from cooking it, won't we?
No, it should be.
Now, there's a little packet of something, guys, in the Philippines called magic sarap.
Sarap. I have here.
Do not eat anything that has that stuff in it because it will kill you. If you read what it's got in on the back, you'll die. I mean, not
They
literally,
said
but you
it's
know
gonna
what?
be more
It's
tasty.
yeah,
It's gonna be more taste and aroma.
yeah. It's not good.
Sarap.
It's not good. So please, guys, try to avoid any food with
I
that
put
in
this,
it.
guys, for that. Every time I cook tinola, I put here. I put this, but I hide to put it.
Yeah, right.
So the
See,
ingredients. So
she's slying it.
no, I did not put the.
Better
Just
not.
only salt. It's enough, and
Oh,
then
yeah.
we have anor cubes to make it tasty.
So that's an all cube.
It's chicken.
That's ginger, is it?
Yes, and this one is the onion, and this one is
That's the onion.
garlic.
Babe. That's garlic.
This is garlic. This is
Yeah.
the onion, and then we have a salt,
Ooh.
and this one is sayote. It's called
Sayote. I like
Yeah,
that.
Sayote.
It's nice.
And then pepper, black pepper. We need to put a black pepper.
Black
there.
pepper.
Yes.
Now, this, guys, is the girl that when I met her, she says, can we go out to eat because I can't cook? And I feel shy to cook in case you don't like it. I got all that.
So let's put the oil.
Now, what was it you cooked the other day and your dad couldn't believe you'd cooked it? What was that you cooked?
The cake.
Oh, that cake. Yeah, she did a lovely cake. Well, I guess it's lovely. I didn't taste it.
Yeah, you tried that before.
Did I?
Yeah, you like it as well.
Not when you cooked it, though, did you?
Yes.
Did I?
You try it. Yeah.
God.
And Matt,
Well, I've been to sleep
Matt
since then.
as well. He wants something like that.
Mhm.
So every time we have a live stream, Matt always, Mel, where's my cake?
Yeah. And can we just say, guys, somebody sent us a pizza of the day, 2 massive family pizzas,
And there's
lasagna, Coca-Cola, garlic bread, and we don't know who sent it. He's not he or
did
she
not message.
has not messaged us. We want to thank you, but
It's,
we can't.
It's
He sent it when we were on the live feed,
stream.
live stream. Yeah.
Who you are? Thank you so much.
Yeah. And I want to say hi to Julia. She's a patron and she's
Hi.
come on our live stream and she was a little bit concerned that we were ignoring her the other day, but we weren't, Julia. We probably just missed it. We're very sorry, and we'll try to look out for you on the next live stream. The next live stream is going to be Saturday, guys. This video should be posted by then, but if not, Sunday. So every Saturday and Sunday, guys, there's a live stream.
Only weekends.
Yeah.
So no work, right?
So the US live stream we do about 5 o'clock.
Did you watch what I'm doing?
I am, yes, I am. I do apologise, Mummy.
You don't forget.
So you've put the garlic and the onion in, and the ginger.
Yeah.
And how long do you fry that?
When it's color brown now.
When it's colour brown.
Just
Right.
wait.
Well, we can't wait till it's colour brown, babe. This is where we switch it off and then come back when it's colour brown, yeah? I love the smell of garlic.
Yeah.
It's starting to brown now, babe.
After that, we're gonna put the chicken.
Right.
Just fry it a little.
Now, Mel's gone and got some malungai, look, some fresh malungai. But we don't put that into last, do we, Mel?
You're gonna put that at the last.
Right, so you don't fry it, you just put it in the water
when it's boiling.
let it boil. So we get free chicken, don't we, babe?
Don't say good.
It's a secret. It's a secret, babe. How we get the chicken. Secret.
Other day when I grill the chicken,
Yeah.
he knows that chicken is for him. Oh, you steal chicken? No, not. Because you know how to cut.
Because of how it's cut.
Yeah.
Well. We made a lovely marinade, didn't we, for that chicken? And it was beautiful, guys. It should have been barbecue. Oh, you did. You barbecued it, didn't it? You put it on some charcoal.
Yeah.
And it was absolutely beautiful.
Let's wait a few minutes when it's color brown. Chicken.
Did I tell you what my 2 wives died of?
No, why?
Well, I did. I told you, didn't I? My first wife died of eating poisoned mushrooms.
And this the second one.
Well, she died of a broken skull.
What?
Because she wouldn't eat the mushrooms.
Yeah, I got it. I got that joke. Is it a joke?
Of course it's a joke. I didn't kill me wives. My God.
Yeah, I know it. It's first time that I know the joke.
Yeah, but you weren't laughing very much, were you? My God. So anyway, guys, as well, I want to explain the the video that we put out where we're sitting in the front room talking about trying to get some more subscribers.
Ooh, show this.
There's an algorithm, and how I've worded the title, the YouTube algorithm things are supposed to pick it up and promote the video.
It's nice. Thumbnails.
Look at that.
Is it dark?
Yeah. Nice.
Smells good, right?
Smells beautiful.
Because of the ginger, make it now. So after that, you're gonna put some water.
Just to give you some information, guys, my video's just shut down on its own again. The battery's fully charged. I've tried everything. I've tried a new memory card in it. Somebody suggested it may be the memory card if you've used it a lot. I knew it wasn't, but you've got to give it a try, haven't you? So we bought a new memory card for about 1,200 pesos, and
So you're gonna use
it's not working.
not
So
on the top the water.
yeah. So how much water are you putting in it, babe? Is it just a little bit at a time or what?
It depends. It depends if you want more
Soup?
Yeah.
Or as you like to call it, soap.
Soup. Soap.
She says, do you want me to make you some soap? I says, no, I've got some soap, thank you. She says, well, you're hungry, aren't you? Oh, I said, you mean soup? Oh right, yeah, sure.
It depends, guys, if how many water you put it.
It depends on what? On how much soup you want.
Yeah.
But if you've only got like,
Yeah.
what is there? About 4 pieces of chicken.
2, 4, 7 pieces.
Well, yeah, but the main pieces are.
Because if example, if just only 2, you don't need to put a lot of water there.
No, well that's what I'm saying. But if there's like 4 people gonna have it,
Yeah, it depends.
then you want a little bit more soap,
Yeah.
don't you?
So let's wait to be.
So it's got to go on the boil,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna add the what's it called?
Sayote.
What?
Sayote. It lasts.
Sayote,
It's gonna be last, and then
Yeah.
this one as well.
and then the malunggay. So that's going to go in last. There we go.
So here's guys.
This is about the 3rd time I've tried to switch the camera on, and it's just switched itself
already
off.
boiled, this one.
So there we go.
You can remove some of the oils. The oils.
The floating oil on
Yeah,
top,
yeah,
just
you can
remove it.
Yeah.
So what's that, Mel? What is it? Silver.
Fish sauce.
Oh,
Fish.
it's fish sauce, and you put that in here.
Yeah.
Well, you've not mentioned the fish sauce.
Not yet. Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's up.
It's up to you.
You can
Yeah.
put a salt as well. It's
Right.
only salt. You can.
So with them two, you can either put them in or not put them in.
Yeah. It's
Oh, okay.
And then I'm gonna put now.
What about this here?
This one.
What about the malunggay?
Later, when it's already cooked, because you don't need to put this. So it's gonna be shaggy.
It's going to be shaggy.
Shaggy. What's it called? Shaggy. Like the price. What's it called?
I haven't got a clue what you mean. My mind just went in the gutter when you said that. What?
It's the,
Shriveled.
Yeah, what's shriveled?
Shriveled when it goes all crinkly.
Yeah, like that.
Right.
So I'm gonna put the nor cubes na here.
So what about this then?
Later. You know what? You're the one cook.
What are we asking you? Right, do you want me to cook it then? Okay.
No, you're not good cooking.
How do you know I'm not a good cook?
You don't know how to cook. The only thing you know is to eat, right?
Eat? I know how to eat?
Just to eat.
You sound like you're Russian when you say that.
So I put salt na here.
How much salt? That will have a look.
Just put a little by little, guys.
Should you be
So you can.
using your fingers? Have you washed your hands?
Yes, of course. Make sure you wash your hands before you cook.
Yeah.
Just put a little by little.
Little
Because
by
it's-
little.
Just make it sure it's
Yeah.
just
So you put in fish
a little
sauce, is
fish
it?
sauce.
Oh, that's a little, isn't it? So that'd be about a tablespoon, I would imagine there.
And then you can.
See, they understand.
You can
They understand teaspoons and tablespoons, babe.
But you can add more if you're
So
not
you just keep
satisfied.
tasting it,
Yeah,
and
if
it
you're not
depends if you're not
satisfied, for your taste, yeah.
Put a bit more in.
Yes. So.
When it's cooked, guys, the chicken just falls off the bone. It's lovely.
I know it's if you can boil the chicken like
Before.
15 minutes to make it very.
So you could have a separate pan with the chicken boiling, and when it's boiled, put it in there to boil again.
No, you can boil here long, like around 15 minutes.
All right,
Boil,
just let it.
But boil much the chicken.
Right.
Make it nice.
What about cook the chicken, then put it in? Would that taste better? If you actually like
It's
grilled
better.
the chicken.
It's better if you mix the chicken to the ingredients to
Right,
make it.
okay.
Make it taste.
See, what do I know? But I'm only asking because there's lots of guys out there as stupid as
So
I
we're
am.
gonna boil again the chicken around 15 minutes.
Another 15 minutes, so I've got to
Yeah.
stand with the camera for 15
No,
minutes.
you can switch off
So when does the malunggay go in?
when it's ready to cook. So you can cook na lang.
So,
because you don't need to cook.
When it's
the-
ready to eat, you mean?
Yeah. When it's ready to eat.
Alright, okay. Eat?
After boil, you can put that.
Okay, so,
This is after when it's boil. I'm gonna put here.
yeah, because that's very hard though, so you're going to
Yeah.
have to boil it again, aren't you, with that? For another 15 minutes. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, let's have a look.
Let's taste if it's enough.
Let's have a look. That's outrageous. Well, I should have been first.
I just
That's very rude.
I just
Oh, you're
blow.
blowing it. And then you're drinking it, so you were actually tasting first. Is that what you're saying? Oh, you're having some more. That wasn't enough to.
It's yours.
Oh, this is mine.
For me,
Right.
it's enough now. You don't need to add
Right.
condiments. Oh, it's
Let's have a-
it's not hot. You can drink now. You want
Oh,
more?
it's really nice, guys. That really nice. Nice
So
soup
we're
with
gonna
it.
put this.
You're gonna put that in
Sayuti.
there.
It's so sayuti.
Now, what Mel normally does, and a family when they eat this, is they eat it with rice.
Yes, it's yeah.
I know you'll all be shocked to hear that, but they eat it with rice. But what do you do? What do you do with me when you make
But
it?
I know Chris, if he wants to eat this, just only this one. There's nothing. There's no rice.
No, I won't. I won't eat the rice. I
That's
don't.
what I make to you. It's not enough.
Not really. No, but I enjoy the green, whatever it's called.
Sayuti.
Yeah, I enjoy that, and I don't want to die of diabetes.
So let's cook again around 10 minutes. But you can check, guys, if it's this one. Is it soft now?
Yeah, it's got to be soft,
Yeah.
and then once that's soft, it's ready.
It's
Yeah,
ready now. Yeah.
there you go.
See you later.
See you later, Gator.
Smell nice.
Oh my God, are we nearly ready? Because I'm really hungry now. This is
Yeah.
this is going on
It's
forever.
ready now. I will check if it's soft. This one. Don't overcook this, guys, the sayote, because it's not good if it's uncooked.
Very soft.
Yeah. Can you try this? It's
What about them putting some?
ready na?
Mm.
I forgot, guys, to put a pepper. Gonna put pepper there.
Ah, you forgot the pepper, did you?
Yeah.
I thought there was something missing. No, I didn't really. It was still nice.
Just spread it, baby. Yeah,
So
that's it.
what about putting, say, some carrot in or some cabbage, adding a bit of veg that you like,
Because
just to thicken it up a bit?
Because this one is the main ingredients for tinola. Because what your suggestion is a rubbish.
That's outrageous talk.
But you're the one gonna eat, right? So you can put as long as you want.
So ask a question. It's rubbish. You know what you're getting now, don't you?
This is the main ingredients. You don't need to put a cabbage, carrots.
Yeah, but
Oh my God.
what if well, I am a big guy, but what if I'm a bigger guy than I am? What
But
if
if you
there's a
want-
bigger guy than I am
But if you're the one,
that doesn't want rice?
it's alright because you're the one gonna
Yeah,
eat.
but that's not going to fill me up
Yeah,
because I'll go straight for the main ingredients, which is the
exactly.
chicken,
So it's ready to eat, Naga.
and nobody will get anything. So what can I say?
That's why you did that food, because you did not eat rice.
It's
But
ready.
when you-
It's ready to eat.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
I thought you were putting the malungai in it.
Yeah, you can put. I will wash it then.
She's already washed it, by the way, guys. She's doing it again.
So you can put that chang to make it more healthy.
Yeah, malungai
You
is
don't
great.
need to cook this when it's ready.
No,
You can
don't
cook-
forget, guys. The malungai. What I do every day is I put it in my bullet. Where is it? Where's the? It's not here. Where's the?
What?
Doesn't matter. I put it in my bullet blender. I put an apple in with it, fill it with water, mix it, and then drink it. And it makes you feel like you're on cloud nine after you've been taking it a few days. If you suffer from depression, or you know, you're a little bit moody sometimes like me, it stops all that. Trust me. Very nice. That adds a bit of colour to it, doesn't it?
Yeah. So it's ready to eat.
Eat.
Eat. Yeah.
Eat. It's ready to
It's
eat.
a healthy foods.
Right, so you're going to get your rice to eat it?
Of course, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Dito as well, right? Can you put that?
So there you go, guys. This is how
That's
Mel
it,
eats
guys.
it with her rice. I just can't eat rice like these eat rice. I don't know about you, but I just can't do it.
No. So show your foods.
I mean, I've got some nice pieces of manok in there. I've got to eat with one hand, guys. Sorry about that.
So yummy. Calm down.
Oh, gorgeous. Now this, just to reiterate, guys, this is a really good healthy meal for you.
Yeah.
But obviously, you know, the chicken is, as long as it's not fried. The chicken's good. This has been boiled. And
Don't forget, don't
soup,
put magic syrup.
yeah, no magic syrup in anything, guys. Honestly, it's bad.
Just put salt and then fish sauce. Good enough.
Yeah, and obviously the salt in moderation. And if you do that, everything's going to be great. So that's it, guys. This is, what's it called?
Tinolang Manok.
What?
Tinolang Manok.
Tinolang Manok.
Yeah.
You're going to say that's not right then, weren't you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Right, it's over to you then, Mel.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Hope you guys
Enjoyed the video. Yeah, see you on the next one, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.